Emotional interest often appears through attention, curiosity, and participation in interaction. When interest begins to decrease, subtle behavioral changes often appear first. Small changes often signal deeper emotional shifts. One noticeable sign appears when reactions become more neutral than before. Moments that once created emotional response may begin to feel ordinary. Ordinary perception often reduces emotional intensity. Another signal appears when curiosity becomes less visible during conversation. Curiosity often reflects engagement. Reduced engagement often signals reduced interest. Emotional interest often creates variation in tone and communication style. When communication becomes repetitive, stimulation often decreases. Reduced stimulation often affects perceived chemistry. Another subtle change appears when interaction feels less engaging overall. Engagement often strengthens emotional connection. Reduced connection often influences attraction. Interest often appears through willingness to participate actively in communication. Reduced participation often signals reduced emotional involvement. Involvement often influences perception. Consistency often reflects emotional investment. When consistency changes gradually, emotional direction may also be changing. Direction often influences attraction. Emotional interest often creates anticipation for future interaction. Reduced anticipation often indicates reduced excitement. Excitement often strengthens connection. Patterns of reduced engagement often reveal emotional distance. Distance often influences interaction quality. Quality interaction often sustains attraction. Attraction often remains strong when emotional interaction feels engaging and dynamic. Dynamic interaction often sustains curiosity. Curiosity often sustains attraction.